The CDC is making a big push for COVID vaccines as dozens of states across the U.S. see a new spike in cases. It comes as public health officials try to tackle another virus, the bird flu. Jared Halpern has more.
As millions of Americans head out for summer vacation, the CDC is warning of another nationwide COVID surge. New government data shows cases are on the rise in nearly every state due to the spread of so-called flirt variants.
And they come from like a sub-lineage of the Omicron variant called JN.1, and these are kind of the dominant variants that are circulating.
Doctors also say recent heat waves across the U.S. are keeping more people indoors. That leads to increased COVID transmission, and cases are expected to rise once again in the fall and winter. The CDC is recommending Americans ages 6 months and older receive an updated COVID vaccine, even if they have previously been vaccinated against the virus.
If you get infected in 1 year, you may have immunity against that particular variant, but 1 or 2 years down the road, if the virus has evolved enough, you may be susceptible again to infection.
As states battle another COVID surge, federal officials are taking steps to protect against another possible health threat, bird flu. The Department of Health and Human Services announcing Tuesday Moderna will be awarded $176 million in federal funding to develop a human vaccine against the virus. According to the CDC, bird flu was detected earlier this year in dairy cows and has since spread to herds in a dozen states. Still, federal health officials stress the risk to the general public remains low. In Washington, Jared Halpern, Fox News.